In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Cascade in Windsurf. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate the application seamlessly and utilize its features to enhance your workflow. Begin by opening the Windsurf application on your device. Once the application launches, you will be greeted with the main interface, which displays various options and features available to you. Ensure that your device meets the necessary requirements to run the application smoothly. Next, locate and click on the option labeled Agent within the main menu. This action will redirect you to a new screen that provides access to various agents and functionalities. It is crucial to familiarize yourself with this section as it serves as the starting point for creating new sessions. After that, you will find and click on the New Session button. This option is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Once clicked, a new session interface will appear, prompting you to set up your session details. Take a moment to review the options presented to ensure you are preparing the session correctly. Once this appears, you will notice that the Cascade code is generated automatically. This code is essential for integrating the necessary functionalities within your session. Make sure to write it down or copy it for future use, as it will be needed later in the process. Now, you can ask Cascade to write a code for your software as a service or SaaS. This step involves providing specific instructions or requirements to Cascade, allowing it to generate the appropriate code tailored to your needs. Ensure that you provide clear and concise input to achieve the best results from Cascade. Finally, review all the generated code and configurations before finalizing your session. It is advisable to check for any errors or adjustments needed to optimize your setup. Once you are satisfied with everything, you can proceed to implement the code and begin using the features you have set up. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.